two colors like violets and lemonade. So both of these colors is glow in the dark as well as it is color change. So let's see how this one gonna turn out. These two colors gonna turn out. So, and pay attention to this too. It looks really nice, and a dark one later when it is warm, as after we are going to cure, it's gonna give it a little bit of a different shade of it, and like a lighter or darker. I'm excited to see it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the lighter, which is, so now on the swatch that I have, we already have the base gels on it, and I cure for 10 seconds already. Okay. With the velvety gel, is so cool. You can place any beads as you want here, and then we are going to add some of the other color. You can do more than just one color. It doesn't have to be just this two. You can do like 2 or 3 more different colors as you prefer. I'm gonna pick up the violets, adding it some on here. A couple more. Okay, now you can start getting, so you can use this one as the spatula to kind of guide your marble, so you can just swirl along and however the design you would like to. Different patterns depend on how you would like. And it's not dry, it's not set, so you have all the time in the world to design your marble look. One of the easiest way to making a marbling, especially for beginner nail tech. Never go wrong with this part. And it's gonna set level. In the meantime, I'm gonna close this because I don't want any lights to get in. They put the wrong leads on. There you go. We're gonna still need crystal clears right on my right side, right here. So I couldn't put it on. Look at that, how cool and how beautiful it is. And simply using your base gels. Don't need any other solution at all. This base gel. And you can perfect the application. And I pretty much don't have to do a lot, just guide it on the board, you know, the side wall. That's it. And keep in mind, we're definitely gonna do some of the crystal clear on this to make sure they are capped nicely. The back, it looks cool. So now you can leave it like this. Should we put in a metal, or should we do?
No, I think that looks pretty as it is. If you want a big centerpiece in the middle, would be lovely.
For design, you mean?
Yep.
Later?
Have one big one and right in the middle.
You can leave it like this, or you can put the glitter. Should we do this glitter? No?
Sure, if you want. You know what? Yeah, that would be pretty. Do some glitter.
I think this one is spring mix glitter. Let's see.